Has this ever happened to you that whenever you are running Google Ads campaign, or whenever you are trying to run Google Ads campaign, and your Google Ad spending has exceeded the daily budget you have allocated for the campaign, then you don't have to worry if that happened with you once or twice. Because I'm going to tell you in this video why this happened and why it does not affect you at all. So why this happen is because it's a Google algorithm, and you can read more about on Google document page regarding about how they set the average daily budget, and they said that even if they may increase your daily spending limit can be increased by two times your average daily budget for most companies on any particular day. But don't worry, your monthly spending limit will not be increased by the 30.4% 4 times, means that one a day, like it's a very minor increase, like 0.4% increase on a monthly basis. There is also another article as well on the Google team on they explain on why the daily cost may exceed your budget. But it's because whenever Google feels like there is a certain potential customer who may buy your product, the Google will show your ad regardless of your daily budget, because the Google wants you to earn as much as possible, and that is the Google algorithm is structured, to optimize your campaign, to get more data, to get more insights. It may happen that on any particular day they may spend twice as much, but don't worry, they won't spend more than your monthly budget in a total month. So you are be safe. Like you may seeing something like over there, like, oh, suddenly, oh, you I got a lot of clicks. I wasn't expecting these clicks on my campaign. You're like I how much spend? How did Google did it? So it's basically, it's basically, why the Google did is because the Google thought that there may be cohort conversions, or a potential visitor over there. Again, it's not going to happen the next day you are running a campaign. It may be a certain day when Google felt that there may be a potential visitor who may buy on the base of the data the Google has for that potential consumer regarding your niche, your industry, and his online buying habits, or whatever your goal is. If it's a lead submission, then his lead submission habit, or how he browses, or whatever the data Google has, and the Google algorithm analyzes, and if it sees that this may can get convert, if we will miss this conversion, if we won't show that to him or her, then the Google will show it. So rest assured, don't worry, on any particular month it won't be increased, but it can be increased twice as much on a single day. But you don't need to worry that in any particular month it won't be increased. So you can rest assured, you don't need to worry if Google Ads is spending more than your daily budget in any particular day. So it may happen for 2 to 3 days, maximum in a month, but don't worry, your monthly budget will remain the same. I hope this answers your question. But in case if you need a professional help with Google Ads, audit, setup, or management, me and my team can help you. You can hire us through the link in the description, and we'll love to work with you. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding it. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.